almost 2. It's like 140 something, maybe 150. But I have some balloons. Happy birthday things. A little party hat. It's a big one. Really sure this can go on. Yeah, so my little party hat again. So I'm about to blow up some of these. I don't know if I want to do all of them or not. And then decorate it. I'll be back. Now I transport these balloons in their room. Who's got a ball in the middle? Can I take this off? Happy. Can I do like happy and birthday? See if I can take this off. Can I really open it? Read. Okay. Take it off. Now to the party stuff. So I don't know. I'm about to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. And then come on. So I think all he really is gonna care about is the balloons. And there we go. The birthday boy sleep. Where's Bourbon? Even though they have their own beds, they still like to sleep in the bed together. They like it, I love it. But, excuse their room, they were playing before they went to bed. But, happy birthday, Casey. Okay, I'm about to go to bed now. It's late. And I got stuff to do tomorrow. Like cook breakfast and be a mom. So, I'm super hungry. Happy birthday! Look! How old are you today?
3.
You turned 3 today?
Yeah.
You tired? You like your balloons?
Yeah.
You wanna put on your party hat?
Yes. Oh, what does dots on it?
Hey y'all, so guess what? What is today?
Candy.
No, what is today?
Happy birthday.
To who?
Mine.
Is your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, how old are you?
3.
You're 3.
Yes. Riley's gonna be 1.
Rylan's already 1, boo.
Oh, he gonna be 1 on his birthday.
He's gonna be 2 on his birthday. His new birthday. On his birthday time again. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yay!
If we eat candy, we eat food.
We eat candy and food.
Yep.
You can have candy today because it's your birthday.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so we're about to make some breakfast and we'll be back.
Yeah.
So the plan was to make like some exquisite pancakes and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Cause I don't think I have any sprinkles. I was gonna use like.
No, Mommy.
Oh, since I don't have any.
Okay.
I don't have any sprinkles.
I don't have to begin. Cookies. Mommy, we don't have cookies.
You don't have cookies.
No, we have to start on
said he left you. What? I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. What did you get? You got me one?
I thought that was Nene. I don't want it. I thought you said that was Nene.
Whose is that? That's your Nene?
You have to cut. You have to.
Let me see the other ones. Show me all the other ones. You gonna open it? Okay, so we finally made it out the house. I had to get some food. I'm about to get Chick-fil-A, and then we're going to Jumpin' Jacks. We were going to go to Kings Island, but it's so hot, and it's a little bit too hot for that. So I think I'm gonna end up just taking him to Kings Island on Saturday, and then his party is gonna be Sunday. But yeah, I feel we really don't have to go Saturday, but I just want to go because I told him that I was gonna take him on his actual birthday. And yeah, so I don't know if I want to get chicken tenders because they chicken tenders been so good lately. Say it's my birthday. Say it's my birthday. Oh my goodness, stop. Oh shoot, I just hit my head. You found the dinosaur? Oh. You need help? Go help your brother. Don't hurt him. You almost gotta put it on TikTok. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I'm about to, I already put the load in the washer. I had to put this in the dryer. What? This? No. This? Nope, this is dryer. Okay. For some reason, like, okay, so like my clothes right now smell like detergent. But for some reason, once I put it in the dryer, it does not be smelling like this. Like, it don't stink, but it don't smell like it's fresh. And I don't know why. Not sure. But that is starting to drive me nuts. Take that real bad. It's like the detergent and stuff smells so good, then boom. It's like, what did I do? Hey y'all.
Hey,
So I'm screaming. So I'm a little irritated today. So he's gonna mock everything I'm saying. Cool. He turned 3 years old and you wanna keep mocking people. Casey, I'm about to beat you up. You what? So anywho, I have a headache. My job just done blew me real bad. Real bad, but cross that bridge later. So I don't know what I want to eat. I really don't even have an appetite, but I need to eat, and I don't know. My grandma, my aunt just put that. I mean, my grandma, my sister just put that, I think. But
I'ma still get these. Talk about, I said y'all gonna have to give me a piece of candy.
Y'all, politicians, state reps, state departments.
Look, get some candy. Look. Okay, good morning. Clearly my sons are still asleep. Don't mind his wig cap. We couldn't find his do-rag. And them braids need to stay down for today. I'm about to get up and start getting ready. I'm so hungry. Nice snoring. Hey y'all, hey. It's party day, so I have to still go back to the store and get like some balloons and stuff like that. But
Mommy, I have this.
yeah.
Mommy, I
Free. Where you going? Go ahead. Happy birthday to you and many more. You make a wish? You gotta make a wish. Yay! All right. Okay, Casey, look. Oh! Hey y'all. So, party's over with, and now I have to we have a cookout to go to, but so sad, Jesus. But I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I have homework, so I have to take my homework with me, put all his toys up, and yeah, I literally hate when people see me reporting so ill. But yeah. And the birthday boy, well, it's not even his birthday no more, but Kason decided to ride with my mom, so I had to go pick him up. Then go to the cookout. So hi, bye. But yeah. All right, bye guys. Okay, so the day is officially over. I am about to finish up some homework, take a shower, and go to bed. Tomorrow is Labor Day, so I'm off work, whoop-de-doop. But I have another family gathering tomorrow, so yeah, your girl's about to take this makeup off,